What's up, guys? So we are back at our stomping grounds and we're just gonna check it out. You guys can come see it over here. Yeah, I can't tell what I'm pointing at.
Hi, today my dad's gonna fly his drone. Yeah, bye.
Nearly critical. You make me stronger than I've ever been before, but also weak in the knees, falling to the floor. Afraid I'll lose myself deep in your eyes, and all at once I'm found and recognized. Oh, you got me, honey, unbelievable. Now that you got me, oh, it's unmistakable. Oh, all the feels, oh, feels so real. All the emotions flood like the ocean. Oh, all the feels. Each time your gaze meets mine, get all a flutter, feeling butterflies. Shot to the heart with all of Cupid's arrows. I'm flying higher with my own Romeo. Oh, all the feels, oh, feels so real. All the emotions flood like the ocean. Oh, all the feels. Oh, all the feels. Oh, feels so real. All the emotions flood like the ocean. Oh, all the feels. Oh, all the feels. Oh, feels so real. All the emotions flood like the ocean. Oh, all the feels.
Careful of the other drone. Okay, now you're good. It's where we saw it last, at the top on your left. And you got one at your 6 o'clock. Yep, there's two now.
You give me love now unconditional. My heart condition nearly critical. You make me stronger than I've ever been before, but also